Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to make withdrawal from your Learnoflix affiliate wallet to directly to your own bank account. All right, so and this works for both Nigerians and every other country. All right, so let's reload. This is my dashboard. All right, this is my dashboard. So all you need to do when you're on your dashboard is to click on this menu button by the right hand side of your screen, and when you click on it, it would show you the different menu. Then what you need to ensure first of all is that you have your bank account details already on your dashboard, all right, or rather already on your account, so that when you place withdrawal, it would be sent directly to your bank account. So to confirm that, right, you want to click on this profile icon here. So you click on it, and then there you would see details about yourself, your name and all of that. Then you can go to payment method. Okay, just click on payment method. This is payment method, and it would show you your to show you what method you want to use. When you want to use bank transfer, you can click on bank transfer. You want to use PayPal method, you select PayPal. You want to use Payoneer, you select Payoneer. You want to use MTN Momo, you select whichever one you want to use. All right, you select it and then insert the account name of your Momo account and then account number here. Okay, so if it is your Payoneer, you want to use your Payoneer, you enter your Payoneer ID. If you want to use your PayPal, you enter your PayPal email here, and then you want to use bank transfer, you enter your bank details here. Okay, so I want to use bank transfer. Okay, so I have inserted my my bank details is GT, and then my bank details are confirmed here. So I'll just click on save. All right, save, and that's it. Okay, so what I need to do now is go back to my menu because I want to place withdrawal. I'll go back to the menu, click on this, then go back to the menu, then click on wallet, right? So we want to place withdrawal, click on wallet. Here you have your total balance, you have pending payout, affiliate commission, blah blah blah. So you just go to request payout. You click on request payout. So when you request payout, here is what you now be careful. Okay, when you come to this point, make sure that you read any site that you're on and you see things like these instructions, make sure that you read them. Okay, it's very important. So here we have type the amount in dollar and also without the dollar sign. So you are supposed to type the amount in dollar that you want to withdraw, and then you don't use the dollar sign. Note, minimum amount is $25 for local and $60 for international. Okay, so we are supposed to use dollar, all right, to and why it is dollar is because I selected dollar as my own payment method. So let me go back so that you understand what I mean. Cancel. I think I go to home dashboard. So when I get to dashboard, you see that my currency I use is in dollars. So if you want to change it, you can change it to naira. So it's because it is in dollars, that's why I'm required to use dollar when I am asking for withdrawal. So my available balance here is $40, right? So of course I cannot request for more than $40 because I don't have more than $40 in my own available balance. So now let's go back to the wallet and request payment. So what I'm going to do is to just okay, here I would have to confirm my details. Okay, so you just click continue, or you just quickly insert your what's it called, your password. Okay, just to confirm that you are the one placing. It's for security reasons. Okay, so just to confirm that you are the one approving to withdraw this money. So we click on amount, 40. Remember, we are not supposed to add dollars, we just make it 40. Okay, so we have 40 here, and what we need to do is click on send request. We click on send request. Okay, so we have clicked on send request. That means you already have a pending payout. Please wait for it to be processed before requesting for another payout. So that means that it has been processed because I clicked on it twice. That means the first one that I clicked was already being processed before I clicked on it the second time. So that means my payout is pending. Okay, so by today is Wednesday. We get paid on affiliate market on Learnoflix affiliate, right? We get paid every Friday. So you withdraw from Monday till Thursday. You have to withdraw from Monday till Thursday, then get paid on Fridays. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. If you have any more question, please leave them in the comment section. Okay, so as you can see now on my board, you see that I no longer have $40 left here. So see, my balance is now zero. That means that it is being processed. My money has been deducted and will be sent to me directly to my GT accounts, which is one I inserted as my bank details, right? And that will be done by Friday. I'll also leave in the description area how to connect with me on WhatsApp so that I can put you through on whatever it is that you have issue with, or you just want to join the Learnoflix platform. And if you are willing to join the platform, the Learnoflix platform, or you just want somebody to hold you by the hand and put you through on anything that you need help with, please leave a comment. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I remain your number one Amaka. Bye.